What's up, guys? This is Teddy. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This video, we're going to be talking about something so taboo that I might get software developer YouTube canceled just for speaking this framework's name, Angular, and why you should code Angular still in 2022 and beyond and into the near future. When you are online, there's a very stark difference between what occurs in reality and what occurs online. And look online, the consensus is that Angular's dead. Angular is a dinosaur. Nobody codes in Angular anymore. But a strange thing occurs when I actually go out in real life, actually looking in real life, looking online at job postings. What do you know? I see Angular everywhere. Nobody wants to code in Angular, and I honestly think it's a great thing when a crappy blogger on Medium talks trash about Angular, because less competition for me, that drives up salaries, and I actually think it's a great thing when people say that Angular is defunct, Angular is old, and Angular still has no place to be in software development. One thing that people never really realize is that people have different software needs in this world. A enterprise, a large bank, a telecom, a manufacturing company has, what do you know, different needs compared to a startup. And Angular still fits the needs of enterprise software development. It increases productivity. It's still fast, and it's still just as beautiful as React if you know what you are doing and you are a professional Angular developer. Most of these people who have talked trash or blog about how Angular is defunct, they don't know anything about Angular. They know nothing about how it works, but they still have this weird thing where they want to tell everybody else in the world what is the best framework. If you've never actually programmed in Angular, you don't really know anything about it, and you don't really have a place or a voice in the software Angular development world. Another thing is that people think they base software on what is cool, what is hip, and having that mentality is not valid, is not logical. Not looking at, not gonna name any names out here, just saying. You need to really realize that most of us out here are just coding for money.
Hello, I like money.
We don't really care if it has a cool name. We don't really care if your favorite social media influencer is using said framework. We just want to make 150K. We want to drive an Audi.
I want to make bank, bro. I want to get ass.
You can't make any sound judgment about what framework is the best because they've never coded in said framework. They don't know anything about said framework, and they judge their whole entire career on what's cool as opposed to what's going to get them the best job, what's going to allow them to work with the best people, and what's going to allow them to make the most money. I still think that Angular is going to be a great framework for anybody that's trying to break into the software development industry because the competition is so low. The demand is so high amongst large enterprise companies. People cannot find Angular developers anymore. It's a ghost town out here. It's open field. I highly recommend anybody who's not interested in learning about the newest next hype framework to code in Angular, because I get reached out, I get hit up by recruiters all the time for Angular jobs, and the stack of resumes in that job pile is going to be literally fractions of what you're going to experience in more popular frameworks like React, Python, Node, and even Java. But anyway, that's going to be my video for today. I hope that you guys really enjoyed this. If you did, make sure to hit that like button, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and as always, thank you for watching.